my friends, and welcome back to the rabbit hole. Today's video is indeed a video full of kind of free makeup. I'll explain. So this is going to be a points redemption haul. I didn't even intentionally do this. I just was able to catch a 1,000 point reward on the Sephora website, and I cashed out 2,000 points at Ulta, so it's not quite an equivalence points situation, kind of it all actually. We'll get into all of that. I want to start off with the same kind of a little discussion that I often have about these types of topics. First off, I'm going to call this video a free haul, but I want you to know I would advise you to not get stuck in that mentality. I'm doing it today because I see that that is what everybody else calls these videos. I still don't like it. The problem with mentally telling yourself it's a free redemption is that you can kind of justify things that you might not purchase otherwise, you might not actually spend your own money on. I think it's a lot smarter to purchase what you would buy with your own money, to think of those points as your own money, because then you don't put yourself in a situation where down the road you got to spend your own money on what you actually needed. Now that's just my personal opinion. Some people may disagree with me completely, but that is what I do. I tell myself, you know, this is me spending my own money. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into these hauls. So this is my Sephora points redemption. I gotta admit, I kind of love the boxes that these come in. You don't have to pay shipping, by the way, when you're redeeming over, what is it, 750 points? And I think with Sephora's new point system, it's no longer the same. 1,000 points is no longer $1,000 that you've spent. I think it's a little bit less that you spent. What is it, 1.5 times now? Anyway, let's see what she got. All right, it's going to be, well, all right, I confess I already opened it. And actually, I'm wearing it. I got the Velour Lashes. I thought this was actually a pretty cute set. You get 2 pairs of lashes, and yes, I am wearing one. You get their lash glue, which I did try. Very fast drying lash glue. Those little tweezers are actually quite nice. I mean, I haven't tried these. I have the full size of those, so it was nice to get a little set. But that's not all. What makes Sephora's points redemptions, minus the cash redemptions, a little different is you get things that are not necessarily easy to get, things that are not necessarily just sold on the website. So this kit came with a fanny pack. Yes, a fanny pack, just what we've all been asking for, but I had to get it. I actually think it is quite cute. It's a very simple fanny pack. My Ulta haul is the rest of this video. I don't know how long this video is yet, because I'm, you know, filming it right now, but it might be a lot longer than that Sephora part. The funniest part about this is that this is not anywhere near $1,000. This includes my points perks day purchases, so I probably spent around $300 to $400, probably $300 at Ulta, in order to get all of this stuff for semi-free. I made this purchase on Monday, which was also Platinum Perks Day. I have another haul of stuff that I did purchase that day. Maybe I'll include it in this video. But I ended up making this purchase towards the end of the day. I was able to combine this points redemption with the $175 buy-in bag because there was an item that was working towards the cost. What am I trying to say that was working towards the minimum cost? So let me start with some of the fall haul items. So Real Techniques products have been 40% off, and I grabbed 2 items. I got another of the little duos. This is the only one I've never tried. The Perfect Crease Duo. I love the other 2 duos that I own, so I grabbed this one. It's got a really nice crease brush in it, and that looks like it'll be really nice for perfected blending. So I'm excited to try these. And then I also got the Face and Body Blender. I wanted to try something from this kind of newer collection. So yeah, we're gonna give this a go. It's definitely a big brush for foundation and bronzer. So I got a couple more Makeup Revolution palettes. These were, I believe, 40% off. So I got the Tammy Revolution Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette. I'm so sorry, I have no idea who these people are. Really a YouTuber who's bad at the internet. I do not need to tell you guys how much this speaks to my spirit. I have to say I'm a little nervous. We'll really have to see if Makeup Revolution can do those blues and purples, but I'm cheering for them. Their formula has been incredible lately. It's why I went back and bought more from them. I already bought the smaller, the Goddess on the Go Rachel Leary palette. Still don't know who that is, by the way. Do your research. Which means in this haul, I went for the giant one. Also, like, minor shout out here. Can we all start packaging palettes like this? I always open boxes immediately when I get them to check the contents. I swear this, like, it makes such a huge difference in not receiving broken items. This just looks so incredibly beautiful. Wait a minute. Who is this person? She named a shade 666? Who is this person? Another palette. This was a one-day sale. This was on Platinum Perks Day as well. The Butter London Teddy Girl 9-piece eyeshadow palette. $14 for this. I thought it looked absolutely adorable. It's tiny, but it's really pretty. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. I guess I've only tried the Butter London that went out in our BoxyCharms. But yeah, it was... I know they're capable of more. I don't know what that was. Just not my favorite. Skincare next. Oh, this was also part of the fall haul sale. The Derma E Ultra Hydrating Alkaline Water Eye Gel. This had really nice ingredients. 2 forms of hyaluronic acid, aloe, cucumber. Looks like it's going to be great for the eye area. I'm so tired of irritants appearing in eye creams. So I thought I would give this a try. It's probably going to be lightweight. That's the only thing. We'll see. We'll see. I'm going to do Derma E probably very soon. I've now collected quite a few items of theirs during different sales, and yeah, I think we're about ready for Derma E. And I told you guys I was going to get these. They'd been sitting in my cart for a long time, so put them in this order. The 1% Bakuchiol Serum and the Overnight Targeted Blemish Lotion. Oh, I bought a lot from Revolution, didn't I? This one's probably kind of a surprise. The Peach and Lily Instant Rescue Kit. So this was $39 with a $62 value. The sizes in this set are incredible. I just dropped the essence, so it's going to be really bubbly. But you get a full size of the K-Beauty Rescue Balm. And then you get an ounce of the essence, which should not be bubbling like this. But again, I'm clumsy. And I'm pretty excited about this too. The Super Reboot Resurfacing Mask. This is 20 mils, so that's enough to know if that's going to work out for you. AHAs, Blue Algae, BHAs, yeah, I'm really excited to try this brand. The thing I like so much about Peach and Lily, you know, I bought their serum in the 21 Days of Beauty, and it's just such a beautiful ingredients list that I genuinely feel comfortable recommending to anyone. I feel like I'm just kind of over not being able to recommend skincare products. Like, you know, I'm tired of saying, oh, this is a great product if you don't have sensitive skin. It would be nice to just be able to say, no, it's a great product, period. That's everything that I bought in this haul from Ulta. The rest of it is all gifts with purchases. I feel a little spoiled right now. This is a nice gift with purchase bag. I mean, like, physically, the bag is really nice. Hold on, let me show you. Look at that, brush holders, a little zipper, and then everything else came in that bag. I don't think I'm gonna go over everything because I feel like it will take a long time and probably don't care all that much, but there's a lot of hair products, hand creams, a lot of these little mini perfumes, the ones where you get the mini bottle. That's exciting. Makeup remover. What the heck is this? BB Glow Bond Building Styler from Bumble and Bumble. Just like a ton. Oh, cute. For some reason, I'm really finding these to be some of the cutest parts of these gift with purchases. However, I actually took out some stuff that I do want to share with you guys because I found it interesting enough to include in the video. So they gave a full-size bedhead, light-headed, flexible hold hairspray. Just in case I actually managed to find the time to style my hair. Don't count on it. Another Elemis product. I got the Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. CoverGirl Full Spectrum All Day Eyeliner in a green shade. I know some people might be like, no, not green. However, in my world, yay, green. More Patchology, which I will absolutely use the heck out of. I don't know what this is, so comment if you know. The Tarte Shape Tape Pore and Prime Balm. Not sure. I'm not sure what that is. The One Heck of a Blot Primer from Soap & Glory. I've heard really good things about this primer, so I'm very excited about that. I need this. I need this Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment so badly. This is something that I should have thought to buy myself, but I didn't, so I am so glad it's in here. I've been wanting to try the new Milani mascara lately. All I'm using is the Ilia. I don't know how I got so obsessed with that mascara, but I love it. This is neat though, the Jane Iredale Pure Lash Conditioner and Thickening and Lengthening Mascara. So this is a little sampler that gives you both the primer and the mascara. Did I say that brand name right? I might not have. I don't know that much about them. See that? That's really cute. Interesting packaging too. I've been wanting to try the IT Cosmetics Brow Power for a very long time. Oh, true story. I actually could have included in this an IT Cosmetic gift with purchase. I was just like, I don't like their skincare. I'll let someone else have it. So yes, this video could have been an even bigger haul than it is. This is the Nude Sticks Lip Glaze. I'm really excited to try this. I feel like I typically like Nude Sticks products. I just don't own a lot from them. And then the Urban Skin Combination Skin Cleansing Bar. 3-in-1 treatment. What is this? This is so odd. Moisten sponge. Creative sponge. Oh my gosh, it is a sponge. Another little NARS mini. This is so cute. I feel like I can't remember. Do I have a NARS mini? Maybe I don't even have one. But yeah, that's really cute packaging. Check this out. They've actually got the logo on the mini. What? That's some great attention to detail. I was so excited about this initially. This is the Moon Activated Charcoal Whitening Toothpaste, fluoride free. I thought that sounded pretty interesting. Then I found out this is Kendall Jenner's oral care brand, and I was just like, can they not take over the world for like one day? I just have nothing more to say. So, that's everything I got for, well, $14 and a lot of points. What Sephora does well is making you feel like the gift that you got is special. I gotta give that to them. Not everybody's able to get it. It's really quite a race to catch one of those rewards. But if you're looking at this strictly from a quantity perspective, yeah. I have a video on Ulta's point system, by the way, that I will link if you're interested in knowing more about how their point system works. I'm amazed constantly by how many people really don't know about Ulta even now. Most of you watching do, though. Anyway, that's all I have for this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.